Wait, 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 wait. Oh God, he's down again. He fell down, he fell down. What's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog. So, I'm on the way to Atibele, from where we're going to do a nice good stretch today. So it's going to be off-road oriented, not a major one, but for a beginner like me it's going to be a mild one, but I'm going to love it for sure. I was looking forward to this one since quite some time now, and finally today, with the help of my friend Ashish, I guess I'm going to execute it the same. So guys, stay tuned. A very nice ride coming up. So I'm just heading towards Atibele. This is the meeting point for the day. I'm already running late. We are supposed to meet up at 6 a.m. at that particular meetup point, but I guess I'm going to run late by another 20 minutes as usual. You know, coming from North India towards and I mean North Bangalore, not North India. Kya bol raha yaar? Coming from North Bangalore towards South Bangalore, it's a task to do in the morning, and the worst part is getting back home, you know, after the ride. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Cheers. So we are under the Electronic City flyover, saving some money, you know. Actually this morning it's not required because these lanes under the Electronic City flyover are usually free, not that jammed, so manageable. Saving money, buddy, saving money. I just caught up with my buddy Nikhil, who rides a 390 ADV. We caught up at the Silk Boat Junction and he's just behind me. I guess you can see it on my rear view mirror. So we stopped here for some nice videos and pictures. Look at the view.
He got scared.
Amazing view. See, well, look at what he's telling.
Turning is not really a good thing for him.
See, again, bro, again on camera.
To turning, you know, Abhi there was a corner there, he got scared.
Oh my God! Now I'm going to push the bike all the way. Huh? I'm not going to ride. This is Ashish.
Hey, hi.
The guy who spoke earlier is Vedant. This is Ashish's bike, the Himalayan, which is totally modified to, you know, reduce the weight. This is my Ducati. This is the 390 ADV, and that's Nikhil. That's Nikhil. He seems to be sloshed with some dosa today, the way he's walking. Okay, done.
I'll stop at the end of the off-road. It's 2 kilometers.
Okay. Straight, no? Okay, carry on. Okay, so here our off-road starts. I'll put it onto enduro mode. Release brakes. Enduro is on. Windshield down. And here we go. I'm loving it already. This is the first time on such trails, and I don't have my top box on. You know, it makes a huge difference without the top box. The bike feels lighter and easy to maneuver. My back tire is spinning. Feels so wonderful. Making best use of this bike today. Wonderful, buddy, wonderful. Nice one. Oh, beautiful stretch. My wheel was spinning. Hey, dude, doable with this bike easily, man. Can do with this bike easy. Easy.
Easy, no?
Easy.
This is underpower.
Huh?
This is underpower.
Man, this wheel was spinning, bro.
No.
Fuck.
This was underpower.
Amazing. We'll wait for the others to reach this point.
I need a break.
Yeah. So right now we just started and we are heading towards the second off-road patch. It's a beautiful scenic route. Goes to the farmlands and some small villages as well. Have a look for yourself and just tell me I'm wrong. Wonderful view. Oh, 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 the bulls. And today I did realize, you know, the multi-strada enduro in the enduro mode is an amazing machine to have fun with. The way the wheel was spinning, the way it was, you know, popping, kind of wheelies jumping due to these uneven surfaces. It was mind-blowing. It was an amazing feeling. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait. What happened? Turn it off. Wait, don't lift it that way, wait. One sec. Put the sun.
How did it fall? Huh? Brake wrong time.
We were still on the off-road mode, enduro mode. I put it in touring mode till we hit the next patch because I could feel the same. Any damage? Any damage?
I don't think so. What fall? This was soft fall.
Ah, soft fall. Nothing will happen.
Yeah, should be there.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, no problem. Chill. Beautiful view, man. Sure, start. You fine? You want to sit for some time?
No, I'm fine, dude. I felt the bike falling.
Ah, okay. So this was exactly what I was speaking about, small villages or towns, whatever we call them. We got many such villages that we pass through. So I switched my bike back to the touring mode until the next off-road patch, because I could feel the difficulty in taking the curves without the ABS and traction control on the tarmac. And you know, the best part of the multistrada is that you can change modes when you're on the move. You just have to release your throttle. That's it. Ducati has got some serious concern covered for the rider to enjoy whatever terrain he's riding on, he or she. Amazing. Then the second stretch is it off-road. So we have a receipt or a checkpost where we need to pay $30 to enter this. Looks like a beautiful patch. We're just paying our charges. Sir, idu idkoಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಕಾ? Sir, idal keltara?
Return varamage vechukona.
We started our second patch of beautiful roads. I mean beautiful off-roads. And now I'm going to start having fun. Need to be a bit careful because on the other side it's steep. Oh god. Ooh, beautiful view. There's a river. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, buddy. Come on. Cooperate. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, wonderful. All credits to Ashish, you know, for curating this ride. Beautiful. Ah, beautiful one, man. Beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Crazy.
Crazy, buddy. Crazy. Crazy as fuck. Best ride till date on my multi. Look at the beautiful view. This is a stream, and I never knew such a scenic location exists around Bangalore. Such a wonderful place. Hope you guys loved it. Oh god, he's down again. He fell down. He's down again. Oh god. Oh god. On bidda. Bidda nodonu.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋರ ಬಂದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮರಳಿತ್ತು,
ನಾನು ಕಾಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೆ,
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು.
ಕಾಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದೆ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಕಣ. ಸೊ yeah guys, so that was about it, the ride for the day. We'll be chilling over here for some time. And Ashish, now we are returning from here, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was all for the day. I can see Vedant struggling there with his bike. It's a sand pit. You know, it was bound to happen. Even I was supposed to drop my bike there. Yeah, it's bound to happen. And then I had to put my legs down and control my bike.